Then you open the CHITUBOX, but where's the mouse pointer? It's gone. And there's no point in uninstalling and reinstalling the software. I already did that and it didn't fix it all. But then, what now? Calm down. Do you see that? When you move the mouse, some icons are highlighted for a brief moment, and using them as reference, make an attempt. Move as close as possible to the title bar and randomly click on it and then drag it downward rapidly. After that, you notice the mouse reappears and the program works normally. However, the screen appears slightly smaller than it should be. Sadly, there's no solution. You can attempt to adjust it, but it won't cover the entire screen. It must be a software bug that fails to recognize my screen size. But what about you? Do you also have this problem with your PC? And what did you do to solve it? Please write in the comments. Let's learn together. Thanks for watching.